In this video, I'm going to show you how to create talking AI avatar for free. Get ready to unlock the power of artificial intelligence and create your very own talking AI avatar for free. Make sure to stay to the end of this video for the entire steps.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you all the steps involved in creating this talking photo for free. Stick to this entire process to see the exact methods that I use to create this. On your PC, navigate to your browser. In the address bar, type gencraft.com and proceed to log in. If this is your first time, continue to sign up, otherwise continue to log in. In my case, I'm going to proceed to sign in with my Gmail account. Gencraft is an AI tool that helps us to create an image, and for a free account you have up to 10 prompts on daily basis. So in my case, I'm going to create my image here. So I'll enter the prompt that I want the image to be created in here: an old black African man with beard. After entering your prompt, you have to proceed to click on generate. So this will take some time to generate my ideas into an image. Gencraft has generated two different images for me, one with a hat and the other without a hat. In my case, I prefer to select the one without the hat. Now the problem here is we have a watermark on it. I'll show you how to remove this watermark after downloading this photo. Wait for a moment for this photo to finish downloading. After downloading, now we are interested to remove this watermark. So let's proceed to the second step. We have to proceed to open this website, watermarkremover.io. On this interface, proceed to locate the upload image and click here. Then proceed to select the appropriate image that you want to remove the watermark on, and then click on OK. Wait for some time for this photo to finish uploading, and you will see the power of AI in removing any watermark on your photo. In this case, as you can see, uploading image. Please wait. So let's wait patiently. Then after that, you will see processing image. Please wait. You just have to be a little patient for the artificial intelligence to analyze the image. As you can see, a careful look at the image from the left to the right. The watermark has been removed, which is in the form of text, has been removed. But we are also interested in removing this logo. So we are going to proceed to toggle remove logo on. So this will allow for the logo on the image to also be removed. You have to wait a little for the logo to also be removed. In fact, this tool is very important for removing any object on your image that you don't want. And these are entirely for free. After waiting patiently, this is the original photo on the left. As you can see, the watermark removed one is on the right, and it has done a neatly job. There's no single watermark or image or any object on this photo. From here, you can proceed to download image. Then allow it a moment for the downloading process to finish. At the end of this process, now we are going to generate the voice that we want to play with this photo. To generate the voice, we have to open this website, as you can see it in the address bar. Then in here, if this is your first time, you have to proceed to sign up, otherwise sign in. In my case, I'm going to sign up by entering my email here. Then proceed to tick on this box, I agree to terms of service, and then proceed to sign up. An email has been sent to our Gmail account, so we have to navigate to Gmail and verify. So as you can see, Elevent Labs has sent us an email. Verify your email for Elevent Labs. Then we can proceed to click on this link. Now email has been verified, so we can proceed to sign in. To sign in, all you need to do is to enter your email and your password. Then proceed to enter. Now we have successfully signed in into Elevent Labs. So what we can do is to proceed to close this notification. The first box gives us the names of the various AI voices that we have available. In my case, I'm going to select an alt. And the second box gives us the various voice settings that we have available. In this case, you can either make it more stable, or you can also make it enhance the clarity or the similar enhancement. In this case, I'm going to maintain the default. In this box, we can enter our text here. So in my notepad, I have a text that I want to play it here. I'll quickly copy the text, then proceed to paste it here, and then I will generate the voice.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create talking AI avatar for free. Get ready to unlock the power of artificial intelligence and create your very own talking AI avatar for free. Make sure to stay to the end of this video for the entire steps.
So when you go back to the settings, you can also do a tweak on it. You can select the type of voice that you want. We can play this one again.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create talking AI avatar for free. Get ready to unlock the power of artificial intelligence and create your very own talking AI avatar for free. Make sure to stay to the end of this video for the entire steps.
It seems to me I like this voice. So once I'm ready to download it, all I need to do is just locate this icon here and then tap on it to open. Then I can proceed to click on this download icon here. So this will download the voice that I've just played. That's great. Now the voice has been downloaded. The next and final step is the talking photo. So all we need to do is to move to this website, did.com. So we have to proceed to log in. Then we need to sign up, and in order to sign up we have to click on this icon here, then proceed to sign up. On this interface you have to locate don't have an account, sign up. Then we can either sign up with our Gmail or LinkedIn, or better still you can manually enter your credentials here. In my case I want to sign up with my Gmail, so I'll proceed to take this box, then navigate to click on this. Once we are on this interface, we have to proceed to click on this create video. On the far right, we have the option to enter our script, or better still add our audio. In our case, we've already generated an audio, so we can proceed to click on the audio, then tap on upload your own voice. Then we are going to select the audio that we just created by the Elevent Labs, and then proceed to open. With regard to the photo, we are going to press on this add, then select the first one, an old black African, then proceed to open. So we have to allow it a moment to finish uploading. So once my photo has been uploaded and my audio have also been uploaded, we can proceed to select on generate video and then hit on generate. So let's allow it a moment for the video to finish generating. So now the video has finished generating, so we can play it over to have a look at how it looks. So we can proceed to click on this play icon.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create talking AI avatar for free. Get ready to unlock the power of artificial intelligence.
This is remarkable. So we can proceed to download this video by clicking on this download icon. Now the video has finished downloading, so if we want to play it, we can proceed to open our file here.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create talking AI avatar for free. Get ready to unlock the power of artificial intelligence and create your very own talking AI avatar for free. Make sure to stay to the end of this video for the entire steps.
If you enjoy this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.